In Northampton, Milton Keynes and Coventry, bumps and scrapes happen. At High Performance Centre, we put it right, properly. From collision damage to car body repair, we focus on clean lines and solid finishes. Scuffed bumper? We can repair and repaint it so it blends in, not stands out. Parking dents and door dings? Our Dent Repair Services bring panels back to shape, without drama. You'll get clear updates, careful work, and a car you're proud to drive again. Call us today.